Question 11. Factored completely, the expression 3x squared minus 6x minus 24 is equivalent to, we have 4 choices, and you see that each of them has 3 factors. Okay, when we say factor completely, we usually end up factoring more than once. We want to make sure we factor until we can't factor any further. So it looks like in all these choices, they factored out a 3 first. Let's see how that looks. I'm going to copy it down right here so that I can show it to you properly. We had 3x squared minus 6x minus 24. And we factor out a greatest common factor. When we think of greatest common factor, we think of what do all the terms have in common? All of them can be divided by 3. Then we think of multiplying back to get the insides. 3 times x squared would get us back to 3x squared. 3 times negative 2x would get us back to negative 6x. 3 times negative 8 would get us back to negative 24. So we got the factors 3 times x squared minus 2x minus 8. Then we have to factor again because we see in our choices we have 3 and then we have 2 binomials because x squared minus 2x minus 8 can be factored into 2 binomials. Okay, hopefully some of you can do that in your head, but again, I'm going to show it to you the longer way in case anyone needs to see that. So we're going to put that x squared in here, and we know we got that by multiplying x times x, and we're going to put negative 8 in here. And now we know we need 2 numbers that we can put on the outsides that will multiply to negative 8, but they're also going to give us our x terms that need to add up to negative 2x. So thinking of factors of 8, I know 4 and 2 are 2 units apart. One of them has to be negative, though, because I need to get a negative 8. Well, I need them to add up to negative 2, so that means I need the bigger one to be negative. So it's going to be negative 4 and positive 2. Let's see how that works. Negative 4 times x, negative 4x. 2 times x, 2x. Combine these two together, you get your negative 2x. So our 2 factors here were x plus 2 and x minus 4. And let's check our choices. And I actually see right now that choice D says 3 times x plus 2 times x minus 4. So that is the correct choice. Okay, with that, we're finished with our review. I do have videos from past years that cover similar topics, so you're welcome to search my channel and find other factoring, multiplying, adding polynomials if you want additional review. And you can also always email me, and I'll be happy to help you in any way that I can.